So good morning, students. Welcome to our online classes. I am Pooja Sharma, your EVS teacher, and today we will discuss our EVS chapter number 2, that is migration of families. Okay, today we will discuss question answers related to this chapter. So first question is tick the correct answer. Where did Santu migrate with his family and cattle? Options are daughter's place, uncle's village, and option C is nephew's village. So our correct answer is nephew's village. Second question is Kadana Dam is situated in. Options are in Gujarat, in Rajasthan, in Haryana, and our correct answer is in Gujarat. Okay, Kadana Dam situated in Gujarat state. Now, third question is Santo's return back to his own village with his family and cattle. The statement is true, false or none of these. So our correct answer is true. Okay. संतु के विलेज में जब अच्छी रेन हुई थी, ओके, जब उसे न्यूज मिला था कि वहां पे अच्छी रेन हुई है, तो अपने फैमिली एंड कैटल के साथ में उसने रिटर्न किया था अपने विलेज. Next, fourth question is, what is the name of son of Govind Ram? Options are Vikram, Ramchand and Chandraram, and our correct answer is Chandraram. Now question number 5 is, world famous Dargah of Fakhruddin is situated in. Options are Dungarpur, Udaipur, Jaipur, and our correct answer is Dungarpur. Now come to the next question, that is fill in the blank. Question number 1 is, Govind Ram and his family lived in Janyana village. Question number 2 is, Dheeraj started working as a laborer during daytime and at night he used to work as a guard. Question number 3 is, Shitla Mata temple is situated in Dungarpur district. Question number 4 is, when the son of Dheeraj passed class 12, he decided to send him to city for higher studies. Now, next is answer the following question. Question number 1 is, in present times, what are the basic needs of a human being? So, basic needs of a human beings are food, shelter, clothes, education, health facilities, employment, etc. Now, question number 2 is, in which place in the world famous Dargah of Fakhruddin located? Okay, जो Fakhruddin की दरगाह है, वो world famous, वो कहाँ located है? So, it is in the Kasbah Galiakot of Dungarpur district. Question number 3 is, in which state was low-lying area formed for constructing the Kadana Dam? So, our correct answer is in Gujarat state. Give two examples of architectural sculpture, that is Jain temple and Somnath temple. Question number 5 is, where did the family of Govind Ram live? So our correct answer is in Janyana village. Now next question is, what are the problems which Santu must have faced in the village after migration? So Santu's family lived in a village and their main occupation was agriculture, but his family had faced a big trouble due to drought in their village. So that's why Santu migrated to his nephew's village with his family and cattle. Second is, unavailability of drinking water is the main problem of the village of Santu. And the third point is, there is no suitable occupation available in Santu's village. Question number 7 is, if you have to shift to some other places for studies, what things would you take along with you? Okay, studies के लिए अगर आप किसी another place पर shift हो रहे हैं, then कौन सी things हैं जो आप अपने साथ में carry करेंगे, अपने साथ लेकर जाएंगे? So if I have to shift to some other place for studies, I will take along with me things such as beddings, clothes, chair, table, books, utensils, stove, cylinder, and some documents like birth certificate, identity certificate, पैन कार्ड, आधार कार्ड, बैंक पासपोर्ट, एटीएम कार्ड, एक्सेट्रा. Question number 8 is what are the reasons due to which people migrate? Okay, इस आंसर में हमें different reason जो हमने इस चैप्टर में डिस्कस किए थे वो हमें बताने हैं. The first reason is for higher studies. Second is for searching better occupation or job. Next is for medical facilities, for marriage purposes, to avail good facility provided by government projects. Next point is due to fight on caste or religion, for better living standards, and the last one is drought, flood, tsunami, storm, etc. are some other reasons. Now question number 9 is due to the construction of the dam, the people living in that area had to leave their homes. Why? Okay, dam के construction की वजह से उस area में जहाँ पर dam construct हो रहा है जो people हैं उन्हें अपना home leave करना पड़ा. Why? What is the reason? So due to the construction of the dam, many areas become a low-lying area, and that's why the people living in that area had to leave their home. Okay, dam के construction की वजह से जो area है वो low-lying area में convert हो गया है, means वहाँ पर जो water है वो accumulate होने लगा है, इकट्ठा हो गया है, so peoples को वहाँ पे अपने जो home है वो leave करने पड़े. Why are the dam constructed? Dam क्यों construct किए जाते हैं? So dam are constructed for the drinking and irrigation purposes. Next question number 11 is if you are given a responsibility to rehabilitate people in a new place, which facility will you provide to them? So our answer is if I get a responsibility to rehabilitate people in a new place, I will provide them housing facility, drinking water, sanitation, school, primary health center, park, road, playground, etc. to them. Next question number 12 is according to this chapter, what are the reasons for which people leave their homes? So according to this chapter, the reasons due to which people leave their homes are due to drought. Second one is for getting proper job and education. Third one is area comes in low-lying area due to construction of dam. Okay, इस chapter में हमने 3 reason discuss किए थे. First one is drought की वजह से, okay, जो संतोष family था उसे drought की वजह से अपना जो home है वो leave करना पड़ा था. Second one is धीरज, okay, उसे proper job के लिए अपना job find out करना था and children की education के लिए धीरज ने leave किया था. And third family is Govind Ram family, okay, and उसके children ने भी अपना business setup करना चाहते थे, so उन्होंने भी अपना village leave किया था. And last था जब कडाना डैम का construction हो रहा है तो जो area है वो low lying area में convert हो जाते हैं, then people को अपने जो homes हैं वो leave करने पड़ते हैं. Next question is when people settle down at a new place, what problems they have to face during this process? So answer is when people settle down at a new place, they have to face the following problems like arrangement of house and education for their children. Second one is food and drinking water facility. Third one is sometimes people are unable to get a proper job as per their ability. And fourth one is lacking of on community feeling in the new place. Okay. अपनी जो कम्युनिटी है उसकी कमी भी लोग क्या करते हैं फील करने लगते हैं, उन्हें अपने विलेज की याद आती है, ओके, ये वो लोग वहां की कमी महसूस करते हैं. तो ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स जो हैं पीपल्स को फेस करनी पड़ती हैं जब वो न्यू प्लेस पर माइग्रेट करते हैं. Now question number 14 is what type of problems were faced by Chandra Ram when he started his business in the city? Chandra Ram ने जब अपना business start किया था सिटी में तो उसे किस तरह की प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ी थी? So he had to face a lot of problems such as shortage of money and unavailability of proper space, etc. Next question number 15 is what are the purposes of constructing dam by the government? Okay, गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू जो डैम कंस्ट्रक्शन होता है वो किस पर्पस के लिए होता है? सो टू सप्लाई ड्रिंकिंग वाटर एंड डेवलप द इरिगेशन फैसिलिटीज गवर्नमेंट हैज कंस्ट्रक्टेड मैनी डैम्स. ओके, जो आपकी ड्रिंकिंग वाटर की फैसिलिटी है उसे कंप्लीट करने के लिए एंड जो हमारी इरिगेशन की फैसिलिटीज हैं, नीड्स हैं, ओके, उन्हें भी पूरा करने के लिए डैम कंस्ट्रक्ट किए जाते हैं. Now next question number 16 is, why did Dheeraj decide to go back to his village? धीरज ने अपने गांव में, अपने विलेज में वापस जाने का डिसीजन क्यों लिया था, क्यों डिसाइड किया? सो धीरज केम फ्रॉम हिज विलेज फॉर हायर एजुकेशन ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन, बट द एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ लिविंग इन सिटीज वर वेरी हाई, and he started working as a laborer during daytime and as a guard at night to earn more. So he decided to go back to his village after the completion of higher studies of his children. Okay, so जो सिटी में रहने के एक्सपेंसेस थे, खर्चे थे, वो बहुत ज्यादा थे, है ना, मनी ज्यादा स्पेंड करना पड़ता है, एंड उसे वहां पर अपना प्रॉपर जॉब नहीं मिल रहा था, एंड मनी या एक्सपेंसेस जो थे उनके वो ज्यादा थे, तो उसके लिए उसे डे टाइम में उसने लेबर का वो वर्क करता था, एंड नाइट टाइम में उसने गार्ड का ड्यूटी किया था, ओके, मोर अर्निंग के लिए। बट विलेजेस में के जो एक्सपेंसेस हैं विलेज में रहने के वो बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होते हैं, इसलिए वो इन सभी पर जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उसे फेस कर रहा था, इसलिए उसने डिसाइड किया था कि जैसे ही उसके चिल्ड्रन का हायर स्टडी कंप्लीट होगा वो अपने विलेज वापस चला जाएगा। Now next question number 17 is, why did Santu return to his own village? So correct answer is, Santu started missing his own village and he got the news that there was a very good train in his village that year. So he took his family and returned to his own village. So here our chapter number 2 is completed. I hope you all understood about this chapter, and our next chapter we will continue in our next class. Okay, till then take care and goodbye.